What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be creating and styling a unit using WestKiss Hair Company's loose wave texture. Went ahead and sent me 4 26-inch bundles and a 20-inch closure to complete this look. All of the details are on screen, and also you can find the links in the description box if you're interested in checking out their hair. Alright, so getting into the construction of my unit, I purchased a spandex cap from a local beauty supply store. Now the one I get is an extra large, and it has a elastic band already made in, so I don't have to sew one in at the end. Now what I'm doing here is just sewing the perimeter of my closure to the cap. And when I'm finished, I cut away the excess cap that is underneath, and I begin sewing the wefts to the cap as well. So I start at the nape of the neck, and I like to double my wefts up so that the unit is more full, and I don't stop doubling my wefts until I reach about to the top of my ear. When I get to that point is when I start to lay single tracks, and I put them close together in order to conceal the wefts, and I do this in a U-shaped pattern, and everything lays seamlessly. If you end up making a wig, one thing you should know is that you don't have to have your stitches super close together or super tight. I used to always make the mistake of putting my stitches extremely close together and pulling the thread really tight, so when I went to put it on my head, it wouldn't fit. So, just keep that in mind if you are making a unit. Once I constructed my unit, I went ahead and parted the closure while it was wet. Doing that, I feel like once it air dries, everything just lays so much more flat. Now I am just applying the wig and styling the edges and the baby hair on this unit using my Ebon New York Edge Control and a little bit of Got To Be Glue gel. All I really did to maintain this curly hair is use water, so that's what you see me doing. I have my squirt bottle, and I pretty much saturated the hair with water just to bring out those curls and bring out the texture in the hair. And I also use some mousse to lock in the curls and keep it from getting frizzy. So yeah, this is what the loose wave ended up looking like in no time at all. This is definitely hair that you want to consider if you want something that is low maintenance. If you just want to wake up, wet it, and go, then you really should consider the loose wave from WestKiss Hair Company. Now, I did experience a little bit of tangling a little bit of shedding. Nothing too crazy or that really concerned me. Probably just the detangling of the hair that I did when I told you guys that I washed it. But yeah, if you're interested, the details are in the description box. Let me know what y'all think, and I will see you in our next video.